you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Okay, so we're going to be going down this one. This is called Ervanários, and we're going to film all the way down. And just before we go down, you can see lots of kind of lights and lots of different stores. We'll try to highlight some of those. And then we're starting out here, and this is this little plaza. So we're going to check it all out. Macau. Up on the map, Herbalist Street, Ervanários. This is a very, very photogenic street. So I was actually just filmed it not too long ago, and I filmed it again because, you know, when you get near the street, it's like a magnet. It just pulls you in. You just want to walk down it, and then if I'm going to walk down it anyways, I know it's like so photogenic that I might as well bring out the camera, and I do. So anyways, Herbalist Street. So you've been seeing that on the map. You got the words now as well, so you can see that. I wrote it, and then I put it into AI to create what you're hearing. And lastly, I guess that's all we gotta say. Let's just do the walk and talk so you can hear it live through my camera lens. Let's do it. Macau. Okay, so let's go on in. This one looks like says goddess. So it looks like it's a new store, clothing store. So brand new. Hadn't seen this one before. Usually if you see the flowers, then it's probably an opening. Antique shops. So let's meander down. Got a coffee shop. Here we go. All right. So a little coffee shop right there. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me see. This one's pork leek red beans. Got gelato. All right. Hi. Doing very well.
Thank you.
I think I remember you're from Sicily, right? I think I remember that from. There we go, right there. Sicily ice cream. Sounds good. So you get some ice cream there, gelato. Let's just kind of walk in a little bit this way. So we're gonna just come around this one, kind of capture this one. I'm also gonna just capture some of the street scene right in here. Then we're gonna walk on in a little bit, kind of go in and out a little bit. So we're gonna fade through it the other way as well. We're gonna come this way. And then I am going to come in here. So this is a little bit of a kind of a cool little spot too where you can eat. Go down. So these are the little side streets off of Ervanários. We're gonna go back to it in a minute. Okay. Okay, so we're just kind of getting a little bit sidetracked, playing some games here. And we're gonna keep on navigating around. Next station, so they're gonna do something in that space. So for the shrines, Chinese New Year, lots of Chinese New Year items. So yeah, we're in this is a nice little corner here of Macau. Tiger baby. Okay, let's see. There's a food truck. So I just ate here a few minutes ago. Coca-Cola Museum. Pets. It's a hotel right there. Okay, so you're getting a little taste of Ervanários. And we got some little alleys like this too. So let me just kind of walk behind us and capture some of the artwork. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna Cerveiro, Portuguese cuisine, Portuguese snacks, desserts. We'll kind of meander down a little bit further. Stamps. There's also coins over here too. Lots of these little alleys and patios and such. Let's see. Okay, we keep on walking down. Okay, so we're going to come up to the end of the street here in a minute. So, Triangle Coffee. Okay. It's going to go up a little bit further. Then we're going to end the video in a moment. That's our street right there, Ervanários. There we go. So now we're at the base of our street right there. And we're going to try to capture it from different angles. And then we're going to go up slightly and try to film it from up this way. There we go, so that's Ervanários, turn that way. And then before we end the video, I'm just going to tie this Ervanários up into this street up here, which is pedestrians as well. There's no cars up here, same as Ervanários. And we're just gonna come right up to the this spot. And now we have lots of people everywhere throughout this little space. So a little taste of Macau, you get to see Ervanários, and you get to see how it connects to this kind of, this goes up to Tapala ruins. All the way up there you can see a church. So yeah, we were just kind of down that way. We were directly down this way, so we'll just come back. So we were just down that way. And we're gonna end the video.
Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my Macau.